And the gap still found. Just a couple of runs. Cut away. He found the gap, which was the most important thing. It was a length delivery.
Yeah, more width available, and the bounce was good. It's just that the consistency from the bowlers hasn't been there. You're getting...
Again, full toss, dispatched.
He didn't hit it hard. It was a full toss, got in the meat of the bat. The placement was the key.
Fine edge. Soft hands, kept it down.
Just closing the face. No, or just opening the face. He really didn't intend to play it in that direction. Again, that hesitant push.
Short and pulled away. This is really good batting because... and it was hammered onside.
Yeah, a bit erratic with his lengths at the moment, Ismail. He's trying a little too much. You just get that feeling. He's got a very strong offside field.
Went for the cut shot. Flew off the outside edge and gone for 4.
He's only himself to blame. He's bowling a fuller one and then he drops a short one. That's been the pattern in the over. He's done that to the left-hander as well. That's a clear case of flash hard at it.
Nails a Yorker. Excellent stuff, but very unfortunate for Ismail. He concedes another 4.
That inside edge just ended up with a boundary. He wouldn't have been out. It's a free hit. But yeah, that was a good ball.
Beautiful. That's a gorgeous looking stroke to end the over. Didn't try to overhit it. He just presented the full face of the bat. 3 overs gone. 38 without loss. Put down. Not taking this chance.
Yep, he got there and then it's just popped out for some reason.
Using the aerial route once more. And it's another boundary.
The drive was always on and this time he elevated that deliberately over the circle. And once it passes that, you're never winning that race as a fielder. Good effort though from Shamil Hussain, the captain. He's a tall man, but the ball still just races away. It's a fast outfield.
Beautiful shot on the up. That's good bat presentation. Wonderful timing. Still played it close to his body. The ball raced away. 4 gone. 47 without loss.
More runs. Driven through cover. And the chase has been given up. So that's a 50 for the batting side.
After bowling a good length delivery, he goes full and allows for that free scoring shot. Just had to time it well, and that he did. Raced away for 4. This partnership looking ominous now. And again, Captain Saad on fire.
Not really sure with the plan here. Shamil Hussain, the captain of Sharks. I mean, too full again. Scott Morman, the...
And again, another half volley. Dear, oh dear, this has been an expensive over.
What a good shot. Again, off the back foot.
Yeah, you're right. This one, they attempted googly that just sits into the surface. And watch, he stays tall and hits it on top of the bounce. And once it gets past extra cover, who is a little bit square, I think he needs to be straighter than that.
Full toss down the leg side and dispatched. Gets the treatment, a real gift from Benkenstein, and allows the captain to get to his landmark 50, first 50. Big shot down the ground and goes long. That's a handsome stroke that takes him to half a dozen.
Going straight down the ground, the best shot to attack a spinner like that.
Look, show us.
And this partnership has been really impressive. 94 of 62. And they've taken very calculated risks. That's the best part.
In this innings. That's a gorgeous stroke.
Oh, this is lovely. This is lovely. Bit of air outside the off stump, over pitched. And it's just the full flurry of the bat. There's the boundary with ease. Listening to that interview, Darren Sammy, was talking about strong cricketing strokes. And there's a typical example.
And he tries it again. The outcome is the same. Brings up his 50 in style. So both openers now getting to their landmark. And Darren Sammy and the Hyderabad Hunters, they appreciate it.
Arbaz Khan. This is even better than the one before.
Make that 3 in a row. It's raining sixes in this over. Their skill and their class on show.
Yeah, it's the 2 strokes that have been pitched up that he's gone over the offside with that have forced him to bowl a shorter delivery. Takes advantage of that. His captains enjoyed it.
This could easily be a 200 score set, batting first by the Hunters. 2 is the call. But they settle for 1. 12 gone, 121 without loss. Remember, against the Royals, they were 52 for 1 after 6, and then at the end of 15, they were 90 for 7. So 6 wickets lost in that middle phase when they batted first. One of the important sponsors. That's wayward. A real gift, but he doesn't get it over the boundary line. Finds the fielder. He'll be so disappointed. Saad Baig.
Above the waist. All right. Fair delivery, no problems there.
Surely not fast, you know.
No, not fast. And because of that, the original decision of out stands. It has been a fantastic knock. He'll probably be more disappointed than anything because he could have put that over the boundary for 6, Saad Baig, but he's batted extremely well. Set a platform for his team. He goes for 64. 132 for 1.